Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to give you an update on the grill cover. So we installed, if you watch our video, I'll put a link in the description below. We did this built-in, and we used a KitchenAid grill. So we thought, you know what, let's get a KitchenAid grill cover. And honestly, this cover just hasn't lived up to the hype. It's made from a polyester PVC blend. It says just throw it on your grill, and when you're done and you're ready to go. We've had this one for about 18 months. And that's exactly what we did. I mean, we don't get a lot of weather in North Carolina, but we get enough that we want to make sure that our grill's covered and that we're not getting a lot of moisture in it and that sort of thing from rain or whatever. So there's a couple things with this. For one, as you could tell, this has not really lived up to it. It's we've had it 18 months. It's very, very fragile. Yes, we do have sun here. You can see the inside, it makes it waterproof, but you can see how easy it is that it literally just is disintegrating. So it has a 1-year limited warranty. We've had it for 18 months. That's a bummer. So this grill cover is not something I would recommend buying if you have a built-in. It also says it has elastic so that you just throw it on and it stays put. You can see that this is not, this does not have elastic. I mean, you get a little bit into the corners, a little bit of extra there, right? But it does not stay on. The elastic isn't strong enough to hold it to the grill, so if you get any wind at all, it's gone. So you have to do whatever you can to try to keep it down. So we've done everything from bungee cording it over, whatever. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, the cover itself disintegrates so easily that you can poke holes through it with your finger. So it's really a terrible cover. It's not worth the money. It's not a ton of money, but it's not worth the little bit that you get. I would recommend looking for a different grill cover. So we're going to do that. We'll give you an update on what grill cover we chose, and we'll also show you how that actually works as compared to this one. So far the KitchenAid grill itself has been working fantastically. I would recommend you do not go with KitchenAid grill cover because you'll be buying one every year or better, because you can see this one is just not going to cut it any longer. So you can also see on the side here, it ripped, completely ripped on the side, right? So none of the covering is covering anymore. So, and you can just see, I mean, obviously it faded. I don't care if it fades. With the little bit of wind we have now, the elastic that's there, I mean, this is supposed to come all the way over and cover your front pieces, right? But it just doesn't stay, it won't stay put. Like as soon as you get any wind at all, now with the rips in it, you get wind all the time, but it does not stay put on the grill whatsoever. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. I'll put a link in the description below if you haven't checked out our built-in barbecue video series. You can check that out. Skip the grill cover, but so far so good on the grill.